Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of speech recognition, how AI turns spoken language into text, its real-world applications, and its implications for public policy. This technology has the power to improve governance, enhance accessibility, and foster deeper engagement with diverse populations. Let's get started. Part 1: Examples for speech recognition. To begin, let's understand the foundation of speech recognition and where it's already making an impact. Speech recognition relies on two key AI models working together. Acoustic model: this translates sound waves into phonemes, the smallest units of sound in a language. Language model: this predicts word sequences to create meaningful and coherent text. Now, let's explore three ways this technology is being used. Transcribing government meetings. Automated tools like Otter.ai record and document meetings in real time, making records instantly accessible to citizens and officials while eliminating the need for manual transcription. Accessible services for the hearing impaired. Apps like Live Transcribe provide real-time captions during conversations or public events, empowering individuals with hearing impairments to fully engage. Courtroom recordings. Speech recognition systems save time in the legal field by automatically transcribing courtroom proceedings, allowing legal professionals to focus on case analysis rather than administrative tasks. These examples demonstrate how speech recognition technology can enhance efficiency and inclusivity in diverse fields. Part 2: How speech recognition works. Now that we've seen some practical applications, let's look at how speech recognition actually works. The process can be summarized in three simple steps. Audio input. Speech is captured through microphones or devices, converting spoken language into digital data for processing. Processing with AI models. Acoustic model: this identifies phonemes from the audio data. Language model: the system predicts which word sequences are most likely based on context. Together, these models ensure the system can accurately interpret spoken language. Text output. Finally, the processed data is converted into text, which can be used in a variety of applications. Here are a few examples of how this process powers different tools. Voice assistants: Siri and Alexa rely on speech recognition to understand commands like setting reminders or controlling smart home devices. Dictation software: programs like Dragon Natural Speaking enable users to create emails, documents, or notes just by speaking, boosting productivity for professionals and people with disabilities. Public service kiosks: speech recognition at airports or government offices makes it easier for users to book tickets, find information, or access services, improving efficiency and user experience. By following this process, speech recognition technology transforms spoken words into actionable insights and practical solutions. Part 3: Real-world applications of speech recognition in public policy. Speech recognition is more than just a technological tool, it's a transformative force in public policy. Here are three ways it can be applied. 1. Improving citizen engagement. Speech AI allows governments to make services more accessible and responsive. Examples: emergency hotlines: speech recognition in US 911 systems helps prioritize distress calls, ensuring efficient emergency responses. Voice chatbots: multilingual chatbots in India answer citizen inquiries round the clock, bridging gaps in access to government information. Digital polling: voice-based surveys collect real-time feedback on public services, encouraging participation from a broad audience. 2. Enhancing accessibility. Voice systems ensure inclusivity for individuals with disabilities. Examples: real-time captioning: public events and speeches use live captions to include hearing-impaired participants. Assistive tools: dictation software empowers people with disabilities to create documents or interact with public services. Voice-controlled devices: public kiosks at airports help visually impaired users navigate facilities and access services. 3. Supporting multilingual communities. AI-driven translation bridges language barriers in diverse regions. Examples: smart cities in Singapore: voice AI helps elderly citizens access healthcare and transport in their native languages. Multilingual weather alerts: governments use speech AI to deliver alerts in multiple languages, saving lives during emergencies. Courtroom transcriptions. Speech recognition ensures fair trials by providing real-time transcription in multiple languages for non-native speakers. These examples highlight how speech recognition can strengthen governance and inclusivity. Part 4. Challenges of speech recognition technology. While the benefits of speech AI are clear, the technology isn't without challenges. Policymakers need to address these issues to ensure fairness and effectiveness. Here are 3 key challenges. 1. Bias. Speech AI can misinterpret accents, dialects, or speech variations, creating unfair outcomes. Examples. Recruitment systems. Misinterpreted accents in hiring processes can lead to biased decisions. Emergency services. 911 systems may struggle with regional accents, delaying critical responses. Consumer tools. Virtual assistants often fail to understand strong accents, reducing accessibility. 2. Accessibility limitations. Noise or poor infrastructure can limit the effectiveness of speech AI. Examples. Rural connectivity. Limited internet in rural areas restricts access to speech-based public services. Noisy environments. Speech AI at train stations often fails due to background noise. Outdated hardware. Low-quality microphones in service centers lead to inaccurate transcriptions. 3. Linguistic exclusion. Many AI systems lack support for low-resource languages and dialects. Examples. Indian dialects. Regional languages in India are often excluded, limiting inclusivity. African languages. Languages like Yoruba or Zulu lack sufficient AI training data. European minorities. Regional languages like Basque or Welsh are unsupported in government systems. Addressing these challenges is key to maximizing the potential of speech AI. Part 5. Policy implications and regulations for speech AI. As policymakers, you have a crucial role in guiding the ethical and effective use of speech AI. Here are 4 areas to focus on. 1. Data privacy and security. Clear guidelines must ensure transparency in how speech data is collected and used. Example, Telexa's controversy over recording speech without consent highlights the need for robust data policies. 2. Fairness and accessibility. Inclusive datasets are essential to address accents, dialects, and disabilities. Example, EU laws requiring real-time captioning make public services more inclusive. 3. Accountability and transparency. Developers must disclose how AI systems work and allow citizens to opt out. Example, South Korea mandates public disclosure of AI's role in governance to build trust. 4. Encouraging innovation. Government should fund research for underserved languages while enforcing ethical standards. Example, India promotes speech AI for regional languages, ensuring inclusivity and growth. These measures can ensure speech AI serves everyone effectively and equitably. In conclusion, speech recognition has the potential to transform governance, accessibility, and citizen engagement. However, achieving its full potential requires thoughtful policies to address its challenges. Now, think about your region. How could speech AI improve accessibility, engagement, or inclusivity in your community? Your ideas could shape the future of public policy.